Water Heaters Only has been America's original and favorite water heater installer since 1968, offering high-quality water heaters from Bradford White water heater, American Standard, Rheem, A.O. Smith, Noritz, and more. Water heater sales and installation. Water heater repair 24 hours a day. No extra charge for nights or weekends. Serving the Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington metro area. For more details, call Water Heaters Only Inc. at 817-274-7600 or visit waterheatersonly.com. Water Heaters Only. Over 450,000 satisfied customers. Same owner since 1968.